doing woodworking, but I have a classmate. The classmate is nearby.
No, wala ka.
It's right here. This is it. This is it. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye. See you next
May pagkain daw talaga.
Let's go! You don't run because I have my juice. But I didn't eat my fruits yet. Look over here!
Our church part 1 information for the day of the last pasalamat po natin ito na church. Sa mga ito church believe
Ate Tin, may meeting pala tayo din eh.
At yun po yung talagang priority ng ating church. Makikita po natin dito yung mga katangian ng ating church, ating pong pinangahawakan, mga katangian po ng ating church, ating pong nilalakaran. Una po, sinasabi dito, worshiping church. Ang ating pong church ay pinilala as worshiping church.
Napakano naman ito.
Sabi dito, we are a church that consistently takes part with the experience of God's love and forgiveness. And this unashamed to present our love to God. Kaya naranasan po natin yung pag-ibig ng pagkakatawag ng ating kaya hindi
Kinig sa akin eh.
Alam mo siya, wala yun.
Hello. Ay, pipicturean ka daw niya.
ang dapat tayo yung sumasamba sa kanila. Pinapadama po natin sa Lord yung ating pong hindi po tayo nahihiya, hindi tayo sa ating mga kamay, hindi po tayo nahihiya sa mga tao yung pakita po sa kanya.
What teacher?
As a church, we seek to be part of the see, feel, and experience God's presence and to show our way to and be confident in discovering His power and expressing the God to God. Kaya kung ano po yung ating
Mobile legend.
Hinahanap po natin na makakalit po ng iba, makakalit po natin ng iba upang makakita nila at marinig para nasa posisyon ng Diyos. Upang paano nila gusto po natin na maranasan ng iba yung naranasan natin, makita, at narinig kung gaano po kabuti at kalapang ating Panginoon, kung gaano po siya kakapagyan natin. Yun po yung ating worship.
Wow!
church. Number 2 po, living church. We are a church that identifies with the holistic healing of God, gives the hurt, the sick, and the lost. Kaya naniniwala po natin church na ang ating pong Panginoon ay talagang nagpapagaling. Amen. Pinaniwalaan po natin yan. Alam niyo po, noong pa man, bago pa lang po ako sa JRL, nakikita ko natin kung papaagulungan natin ng mga Pinay, kung gaano tulungan natin ng mga gumagaling ng mga pagsuka. Kapag po namin sa Panginoon, talaga po ng ating church, ay kinikilala po yung ating church natin, ikakilang ng nadamo. Amen. As a church, we recognize the power
This is for free from earlier.
is spiritual of every man. Who not each child,
Brett! Ano?